Wow. Wow.
Okay,
So
Shankar and
Shankar,
Kalpana.
एक्चुअली बोलने जैसा
शंकर
कुछ है
आप
ही नहीं
शुरू
कैंडी
करो।
के, नहीं बोलने जैसा इतना इसलिए नहीं है क्योंकि बहुत सारी चीजें हैं गुलजार साहब को लेकर, और his relationship with all his mentors, his gurus, his seniors, his colleagues. कौन से विषय पर बोले, मतलब आई थिंक एवरी टाइम ही हैज अ पर्सन टू टॉक अबाउट सलिल या हेमंत या किशोर, आई थिंक इज लिटिल बिट ऑफ इतना ही मैं कह सकता हूँ उनके बारे में, गुलजार साहब के बारे में, कि ही इज बेसिकली, मतलब मैं हमेशा ये बोलता हूँ कि इंटेलिजेंस और इंटेलेक्चुअल के बीच में का जो डिफरेंस है वो गुलजार साहब में है. मतलब इन माय
Wow.
ओपिनियन he is a true
yeah.
intellectual, and not that he's not intelligent. Basic requirement of being an intellectual is you need to be intelligent, but intellectuality comes beyond intelligence. और मुझे लगता है कि वो जो awareness of so many aspects of his craft and his relationship, understanding, and presenting them in a fashion where you necessarily do not go overboard. Like for example, when he talks about, मुझे याद आ रहा है इसलिए मैं बता रहा हूँ कि जब वो फिर से आयो बदरा बिदसी इस गाने के बारे में चैट करते हैं आशा जी और पंचम के साथ, तो बोलते हैं कि पता नहीं आप कहाँ कहाँ से उस धुन को ढूंढ ढूंढ लाए, ये एक जुनून था हम में, आपने भी था और हमने भी था, एंड ही पुट्स इट वेरी सटली. तो ये जो एक खूबी है उनकी कि convey it with minimal words, minimal fuss, and exactly convey the message is something. When he talks about colleagues, artists, and all, I think it's very much to the point. And बहुत सारी चीजें आपने शेयर की कैंडी, तो I think we have to go into greater depth to understand all that.
I think शंकर, जो बहुत ही highly sensitive लोग होते हैं ना, so then they catch on to the sensitivity or the energy in the atmosphere. तो वो जो चीज उनको आती है ना दिमाग में, बट बहुत सारे लोग उस जो एनर्जी को कैच कर रहे हैं वो बोल नहीं पाते. बट गुलजार साहब हैज दिस गिफ्ट of expressing that energy. वो जो बहुत subtle minute सी एनर्जी होती है ना, उसको भी वो कितने सुंदर शब्दों में वो बयां कर देते हैं. So that's what is गुलजार साहब. Thank you so much. कल्पना.
Thank you, Shankar. हाँ. देखो ये जो सब्जेक्ट है ना जिसका नाम है गुलजार, ये एक अथाह सागर है, अथाह महासागर है, क्योंकि हमारा हर किसी का अपना अपना एक मैं आई डोंट नो इफ आई हाउ डू आई क्वालिफाई और हाउ डू आई से हाउ मच आई लव हिम, बट ऑफ कोर्स आई डू लव हिम. I love him a lot because at the time when I was growing up, 80s 90s, उस समय एक तरफ एक बहुत मैटिनी चालू था और दूसरी तरफ एक ग्रेविटास था which was brought by गुलजार साहब. So एक तरफ some tunak was going on, and the same time there was Pani Pani Re from Machis. Wow. Coming out, and it, if you are into poetry even a bit, if you are into little, जैसे शंकर ने कहा इंटेलिजेंस और इंटेलेक्ट के बीच का जो फर्क है, वो जो एक सेरेब्रल एंगल जो किसी भी फिल्म एलिमेंट में आने का, मतलब वही इंसान जो चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है भी लिखा है जिसने, वो आप यहाँ पे, और वो चड्डी पहन के फूल खिलाए भी वो वैसा है कि हम सब आज भी उसको गाते हैं. We don't shy away from it, and it's not something very rapchic or raunchy, but you enjoy that. Okay, पोटली बाबा की थी, वो बच्चों का एक सीरियल था. Then you have हुतुतु, where it's absolute political satire being spoken. जैसे हम आज अगर हम वरुण ग्रोवर को सुनते हैं, गैंग्स ऑफ वसेपुर एंड ऑल, वेयर ही इज टॉकिंग जिया हो बिहार का लाला, हुतुतु वाज ऑल अबाउट घपला है, और उसमें उन्होंने पूरा वो महाराष्ट्र पॉलिटिक्स को इतनी बखूबी उसमें ऐड किया था कि देखने लायक चीज है. सेम थिंग हैपेंस विद आंधी. तो मैं ज्यादा तो कुछ नहीं बोलूंगी, लेकिन हाँ एक चीज मेरे दिमाग में आ रही है जो मैं जरूर शेयर करना चाहूंगी. आपने हरि भाई के बारे में बात की, संजीव कुमार जी के बारे में बात की, तो एक बहुत रिसेंटली कुछ साल पहले ही मुझे कुछ मिला, एंड आई वाज रियली सरप्राइज्ड एंड ज़ैप्ड, एंड आई वांट टू एंड माय टॉक विद दैट. उनके ऊपर एक हरि भाई के ऊपर एक बायोग्राफी है, उनके नेफ्यू ने लिखी. आई डोंट नो द नेम ऑफ द बुक, आई एम सॉरी. इट्स रिटन बाय टू पीपल, हिज नेफ्यू एंड अनदर पर्सन. तो उसमें जिक्र होता है कि when Hari Bhai passed away, Gulzar was shaken. Gulzar was stunned, and he didn't know how to express. The best way he can express is write it down. So जब वो मैयत के लिए उनको लेके जा रहे थे संजीव कुमार जी को, तो गुलजार साहब ने लिखा था, न लेके जाओ मेरे दोस्त का जनाजा है, अभी तो गर्म है मिट्टी ये जिस्म ताजा है, न लेके जाओ. उलझ गई है कहीं सांस खोल दो इसकी, उलझ गई है कहीं सांस खोल दो इसकी, लबों पे आई है जो बात पूरी करने दो, बात पूरी करने दो. अभी उम्मीद भी जिंदा है, गम भी ताजा है, न लेके जाओ मेरे दोस्त का जनाजा है. जगाओ इसको गले मिलके अलविदा तो कहूं, जगाओ इसको गले मिलके अलविदा तो कहूं, ये कैसी रुखसती है, ये कैसा सालिका है, ये कैसा सालिका है, न लेके जाओ मेरे दोस्त का जनाजा है, अभी तो गर्म है मिट्टी ये जिस्म ताजा है. This was a relationship that he shared with his friend. And incidentally, in 2001, एक फिल्म आई थी फिजा, जो खालिद मोहम्मद ने डायरेक्ट की थी. उसमें एक सिचुएशन है जहां दो बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स है, एक जया बच्चन और आशा सचदेव. They are very thick pals, I mean, from childhood, and they are now in their late 50s. And suddenly, Jaya Bachchan passes away. उस सिचुएशन में आशा सचदेव की आवाज में, मतलब उनके कैरेक्टर की आवाज में, ये वाली गजल, ये वाली जो नज्म है, उसको यूज करी गई थी. And Anu Malik had composed it, and this song had always stayed with me without knowing that it is गुलजार साहब राइटिंग. बहुत बाद में मैंने ध्यान दिया कि वो गुलजार साहब की लिखी है. एंड जब इसका कॉन्टेक्स्ट पता चला कि ये अपने दोस्त के लिए उन्होंने मैयत में लिखी थी, और उसको फिर बाद में how Khalid Mohammed got it and used it. Khalid doesn't know. I mean, as my discussion with him on this song happened, he said, I didn't know that there's a backstory to this. Thanks to yeah, but this just shows the person he is. This just shows how much, जैसे आपने बोला संगीता कि जो बहुत हाईली सेंसिटिव लोग होते हैं, कई बार ना उनको पता नहीं होता है कि वो क्या एक्सप्रेस करे, कैसे एक्सप्रेस करे, because and he expressed it like this. So that's Gulzar.
Yeah, awesome, Kalpana. You're so right. I didn't know of this poem, and he mentions in the end the last two sentences, because I never kept track how many films Hari did with me. And he would say, once when I went late, Gulzar Sahab says, to this point of yours, he should have added it in the book. कि जब मैं लेट गया पार्टी में, किसी ने पूछा गुलजार साहब आप कहाँ थे? And Sahari ji is standing there, and that is Sanjeev Kumar. And then he says, "Arey, मैं तो shooting कर रहा था." Then he says, "Rubbish! You can't shoot without me." Okay. So how would you make a film without me? Rubbish. After his passing, my films always serve to remind me of this. What sort of a person was I that I could make films even after he was no more? That's his ending sentence on Sanjeev Kumar. So 18 chapters was dose. It's the soul of the book. So hopefully I captured the soul of the book somewhere. It's a lot. It's a must read. And thanks to whoever gifted it to me, I owe them that. Thank you, Kalpana, for enjoying it, and Shankarji. So let me stay on. Let me bring back Venki ji on stage. And hold on. Niketan ji, thanks for staying up. And so, yeah, while we are off for the first show, we are off by 20 minutes. I want to thank everyone for staying up, Shankar. This is our little endeavor to keep the written side of the book, of retro Indian film music books. And so that we can learn a lot more factual information rather than like saying that don't pick it up from here and there. Pata nahi kahan pe. And as long as these people are alive, God bless them, we know it's factual because they're writing it from the horse's mouth, right? So I think these are the books we would recommend people read also. And thank you, Niketan, for choosing that book. Thank you, Venki, for choosing a very difficult book, because you just did part 1. You have part 2 and part 3 and part 4 and all that, right? And Ram Rao is doing the next in April. He wanted to do it, but he couldn't. But imagine we would have gone on till a long time. So thank you for staying. Some of our viewers, thank you, Wendy, for joining later. Rajiv Arya. Rajiv Arya says an actor is the book for Haribhai, written by Hanif Zareveri and Suman Batra. Suman Batra, I think, had presented this on Shankar's program.
Suman Batra. It's not Suman Batra. It's a lady.
This is the other book, I think, not this. There are two books on Sanjeev Kumar. This is the other one.
I'll get you the book. I have the cover of it. I'll
okay.
Read up.
So Rajiv Arya ji,
it's a Maheshwari. His nephew is some Maheshwari. That's
I see. Book. Okay. So we have just one question. I think some of us had asked here. Shankar, if you ever recommended or a song out of all that you heard, that 18 people out of my book or Basu Chatterjee, which is your favorite song of all these? That 3 books that we presented. Okay, not easy.
You mean Gulzar's favorite song? तो
कौन सा भी? Okay, fine. गुलजार का एक लो, वेंकी के बुक का एक लो और वेंकेतन का एक.
I will put a googly then.
मेरा बुक तो पूरा ही गानों के बारे में था. It's very not possible.
But he has to choose. No, he has to choose. What not possible? Shankar Iyer is.
मेरे को आ गया. गुलजार का तो आ गया मेरे को already. वो googly हो गया गाना. This is from a movie called पलकों की छाँव में. Which is filmed on Hema Malini, and the song is "Koi Mere Mathe Ki Bindiya Sajate Re." One of the finest written songs and composed songs. So that is not RD, but it is LP.
Yeah, it's a beautiful song.
But it's a fantastic off rhythm composition. Not easy to compose and not easy to sing. Of course,
it's a dance rhythm. Yes.
But it's not picturized as dance, but वो Hema Malini के ऊपर फिल्म है.
Okay, और बासु चटर्जी का? कल्पना, keep your answer ready.
अरे बाप रे, बासु चटर्जी का okay. I think Basu Chatterjee. I'm not going to go to any of the R.D. Burman songs, but I think one of the stealers that he composed, rather his composer composed, was Swami Palbar में क्या हो गया? Why I'm mentioning this is क्योंकि इसको 1 साल के बाद.
I wanted to say that.
अच्छा sorry. इसलिए मैं इसको मेंशन कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि इसको 1 साल के बाद
joint first prize.
आवलोडे राहुगल मलयालम सिनेमा में इसके ट्यून को उठा के प्रस्तुत किया गया, and the song was very popular, and hence I think it was one of his finest compositions. Obviously, Rajesh Roshan takes bigger credit for that beautiful song from Swami.
Okay, and
actually the song is described in the book. He's given a nice description of that whole entire song in the book. You know that Pal Bhar mein kya ho gaya.
I love the song.
Kalpana, any other song which you will select?
For me, I think the entire Swami as an album, it's amazing because I mean that Thumri, which is Yasudha ji की आवाज में का करूं सजनी, उसके और भी बहुत सारे versions हैं, लेकिन this one stays with you. I mean, the way he sings.
My God. You can actually hear the sounds dulling. It's like that.
Brilliantly sung, brilliantly composed, arranged, I would say. क्योंकि धुन तो पहले से बनी हुई थी, यही धुन थी almost. लेकिन beautifully actor. Yes, this is the one, Rajiv. Actor we all loved. Uday Zariwala and Rita. Yes, this is the one. Rajiv.
Thank you, Rajiv. Thank you. Yeah, and what's your second song? Gulzar की बुक से बोलो.
गुलजार की बुक से. See, अगर गुलजार की बात करें, I'll go back to Marches. I'll go back to Marches as a album, and I'll say तुम गए सब गया.
हाँ, तुम गए सब गए. No, but choose out of these 18 icons में से choose करो ना. सिर्फ गुलजार साहब नहीं, गुलजार साहब.
देखो ये बुक मैंने पढ़ी नहीं है. अगर इसमें
आज पढ़ ली आपने.
अगर मुझे इसमें ही choose करना है, then I'll probably go to Parichay. The one which is on Haribhai.
Chand.
No.
Bite na bitai.
No, not that one. That is also a class. The one which he sings.
Bite Ben. Ratia Bite Ben. Ben na Bite Ben करके.
मितवा.
बोले मीठे बन.
मतलब it's a beautiful composition. Yeah.
All raga based.
Yes, Rag Hemant. This is a very rare.
Yes, all rag based.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I love
Awesome.
this song a lot. And Haribhai is
Nice.
always a choice. I mean, he's somebody. He's like he's the superstar of middle road cinema, I would say. I mean, somebody
A
who
very
is not
handsome superstar.
heroic. He's not heroic. He's not macho or anything. But he gets on to you with his charm and his.
He's already a grown up,
Andhi.
right?
Oh,
He's
man.
a grown up. Yeah.
Andhi, look at Andhi. Koshish. एक से बढ़कर
Lots of-
एक.
Yeah.
Amazing. Yeah.
And can I invite Shantanu? Can you put on your sound and your visual, please? I want to say thank you to you. You've been the man behind the audio and the videos. Thank you, Shantanu. Correct.
My camera is not coming. I don't know.
We did a lot of testing.
Apologies for any technical glitches. Right now, I can't show my face also. That's something weird.
Okay. Okay. Before we sign off, last two words from Venki and Niketan.
Well, fantastic for a first opening program of this genre. And I mean, the glitches were to be expected a little bit, but honestly, I was completely caught off guard when my presentation didn't kick up. So, personal thanks to Sangeeta for finally managing to, that is very important. Not that it was very detailed, and mine was the shortest presentation because my book was the biggest.
And you know, Venki,
I
I am
didn't know
not
what to do
tech
with it.
savvy at all. I would have goofed up, but somehow, you know,
No,
समझ
so
में
it's
आ
like-
गया कि कैसे करना है.
बिल्कुल नहीं, वो मेल नहीं जा रहा था आपके पास. I don't know for some reason.
Okay. So,
Never
and what
mind.
else? You would like to invite both of you would like to invite people who would want to do it in April and May because we've already got a lineup of books. So you can invite people and encourage them to showcase it. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Venki. Thank you, Niketan.
No,
Yeah.
A few
we
lines.
can do it ourselves too. because
Yeah,
we,
Yeah,
Then
first
Niketan.
of all, Candy, thanks a lot for this initiative that you started, and Sangeeta ji, thanks a lot for your, for that timely you managed to, and my slides froze. At least you managed to get it back on track and everything. Yeah, so
Most welcome.
yeah, I think it's a good thing for a first time. We just need to get more audience, more people involved, and all. I mean, so that's all. Yeah.
Okay. Sure. You can invite a
Thanks
few
to
from.
thanks to Shankar and Kalpana. I mean, yeah, thanks for all your.
Yes.
Thanks for
Special
coming as
thanks to
guests
Kalpana and
your
Shankar for
insights
staying
and
back
all
so
that.
late.
Yes.
And always giving that extra, oomph
Yes.
factor.
Yes.
In all your, the exam